do rabbits bite? It's a common question for the beginner who wanna adopt a new rabbit. The short answer is generally not. In 95% case, rabbit don't bite you. But in some case, they may bite. But there is a lots of reason behind their bites. Number 1 is fear. Many rabbits don't enjoy being packed up or held. A bunny may bite you out of fear if they feel concerned and threatened, or if it's trying to get away. Sign of fear may include pump of fur, wide eyes, and thumping its hind legs. If your bunny is showing fear, don't try to pick it up. Instant back away, talk with him in soft voice, and give your rabbit a little bit of time to calm down. The second reason is territoriality. Generally, rabbits don't be so much territorial, but some rabbits are territorial. An owner may end up bitten by a rabbit who wants to grant its territory. In general, female rabbits are more territorial than males. This is especially true if the female is not spared or if she guarding her litter. The next reason is pain. A rabbit may bite if it's in pain. If you suspect your rabbit is in pain, take it to the vet immediately. But be sure to protect yourself. The next reason is love bites. Rabbits may also nip a person or nip each other because of affection. It doesn't necessarily a sign of aggression. If a rabbit is calming, nippling your finger or toes and it doesn't hurt or break the surface, this is an affectional behavior and nothing to worry about it. The next one is accidental bites. Your bunny may also bite you without any meaning. Rabbits have poor close-up vision and may mistake a finger for a pinch of food. They may also mistake an upcoming hand as a predator. A bunny may also bite you if you surprise it. So be careful when you are touching and making interaction with your rabbit. Try to conscious them in the time when you want to touch them. Thanks for watching the full video.